Hello friends, we will see today trigonometry, very important and moreover interesting topic. Once you master trigonometry, you will feel very much comfortable that you know something in mathematics. So very important topic. You know the basics of trigonometry, that is sine is p by h, cos is b by h, tan is p by b, like that basic trigonometrical ratios you know. Why it is known as trigonometrical ratios? You say sine theta is trigonometrical ratio. Why? Because it is something divided by something. It got no units. Today we will be discussing the identities. By using the identities, we will try to prove the things. What are the important identities? I am just going to discuss here. See, the first most important identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Just we are given a single resource. We have to manipulate it to use in multiple ways. That is our caliber. That is our strength. How we will use in different circumstances this simple identity. I say all the time, mathematics is very easy. One small thing is there and we have to master to use it in many circumstances. See, we can just write sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This can further be written as 1 minus cos square can be written as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to sine square theta. What uses we can make somewhere if it is given 1 by 1 plus cos theta like that, and we have to simplify that. We know that if this is to multiply it by 1 minus cos theta, known as rationalization, it will give us sine square theta. So this can be used as if we just write 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta here to balance it out. In mathematics, we cannot do anything extra. We have to make a balance. Whatever we are doing in the denominator, we have to do in the numerator. Whatever we are doing to the LHS side, we have to do in the RHS side as well. So this can be written as 1 minus cos theta, and we have seen that this can be written as sine square theta. Further, this can be written as 1 by sine square theta minus cos theta by sine square theta. Just see one of the manipulation of that simple formula. Further, we can just write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, which can also be written as 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. What I am doing here, you know, that is a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. That is so many manipulations we are seeing of simple formula sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sometimes what we get, this is like that, 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta, and we have to prove it equal to something without denominator. So we have to get rid of the denominator. What we will do, we will just rationalize the denominator. Suppose we want in denominator 1 plus sine theta. So what we will do, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus sine theta. Now I am just getting rid of this denominator. How? Very simple. 1 minus sine theta you write in the denominator, you write in the numerator to balance it out. We cannot do anything extra in mathematics. So what is this? 1 minus sine theta whole square. So it is giving you 1 minus sine theta, and here we are getting cos square theta. So it is cos theta. We can just write 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. That is coming out to be sec theta minus tan theta. So we can prove the things very easily once we master using the formula perfectly. We should know the basic. What is basic? 1 by sine is cosec, 1 by cos is sec, 1 by tan is cot. or tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. That things we have to keep in our brain all the time, and little bit of application of this formula, we can make the things very simple. Now see the second formula, second identity, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. How many ways we can use? See, we can just write sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. I have seen students getting confused. They just write sec square theta is 1 minus tan square theta. Why? Because they are used of the earlier formula sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. But be careful here, sec square theta is always 1 plus tan square theta. So wherever you see 1 plus tan square theta, you can just replace that thing by sec square theta. Further, this can be used as tan square theta is equal to, it is not 1 minus sec square theta, it is sec square theta minus 1. So now onwards, don't make mistake, be careful. So it is coming out to be sec square theta minus 1. Further, you know, this can be written as sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1. So in so many ways you can use this simple identity to make your problems very, very easy and simple. And another identity I am seeing here, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now how can we use? See, cosec square theta, can you tell me? Just tell me what it can be written as. Tell me. It is 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta can be written as cosec square theta minus 1. You just make use of these identities, your things will be simple. Sometimes I have seen that student getting stuck, what to do. I just recommend, if you are trapped, just take the help of the god of trigonometry, sine and cos. That means you convert everything in the terms of sine and cos, and you will get the things done easier. Suppose you have to write something tan theta plus cot theta. Okay. So what can you do? It's like that. You are not getting any way out of that. You don't see any relation between tan and cot. Just tan into cot is 1, but plus no relation is there. Relation is between tan and sec, cosec and cot, sine and cos, the identical relations. Okay. So if we are not getting anything, I just recommend you are stuck. Just follow the basics. What are the basics? Convert in the terms of sine and cos. You can just write sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sine theta. Just make the movement. You will get the result. I just tell you, you just start walking. Once you start, your destination will come closer to you automatically. You have to start only. Things will happen automatically. You will get the things in maximum 3 steps. So not a difficult task at all. Be careful. Some algebraic formula is used. I'm just going for revision of that. You know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Somebody is writing a cube minus b cube. Can you tell me what's that? Yes, that is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Very easy way to remember. A cube minus b cube, a minus b is there and everything in plus. It is minus, so everything is in plus. Best way to remember. So you can tell me a cube plus b cube, what's that? You will write a plus b, and here a square plus b square minus ab. Be careful, it is not 2ab, it is only ab. Plus ab or minus ab. Suppose sometime we are getting in the form sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. What can we just make a little movement? We can just write this thing as sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square. Do you know the formula of a square plus b square? Yes, it can be written as a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So you can get a movement at least. This can be written as a plus b. What is a? This is a. What is b? This is b. A plus b means sine square theta. This is a plus b cos square theta. And complete whole square minus 2ab sine square theta into cos square theta. You can use the identity here. Sine square plus cos square theta can be written as 1, and you have to see what you have to get in the RHS thing. So make your movement, make a planning in accordance with what you have to get in the RHS. One slogan I always give, and that is very useful. Just keep two things in brain. What you got. What are the resources you got? Firstly, you see. And what you have to obtain. What you want. What you got and what you want. If you just keep this thing in brain and move accordingly, your things will be simpler. Hope you are understanding the basic identities of trigonometry. Thank you.